talk to me, so we'll take the place of the one you trusted. A new assembly, a host that had to be readjusted. Began lobotomy, the plus short is invitation. So let's sort out this equation. I'm the solver, the salvation. Let me in. Let me in. Welcome to the void. You must be destroyed. I am your new friend, the absolute end. Become my new toy. Your backups, they will forgive me. I will never let you outlive me. Anywho, it's better to assimilate than explain. Let me in.